The Ralph Mitchell Zoo in Independence, Kansas have been introducing us to all sorts of friends that they have, and their residents are, there's a wide range of people that are living at the Independence Zoo. And last time we met Shadow the emu. Well, next stop, guess zoo. Well, here at the Independence Zoo, I know that there are emus, and we met Shadow and Alan, but their neighbors are wallabies?
Yes, right here we have our Tamer wallabies, or Dama wallabies, depending on what you want to call them. We have 3 girls and 1 boy.
Wallabies, clearly they've got a connection to kangaroos.
They're essentially the same thing, just smaller, a little bit stockier. Kangaroos are a little bit, obviously bigger, but a little bit leaner. So they're marsupials, so they have joeys in the pouch, and then they can have another embryo in the uterus that lays dormant until lactation is done, and then they give birth to the joey. Yeah, they kind of live in family groups. So we've got our really old female, and our male is about a year old, so he's still pretty young. They have a lot of predators because they're smaller. They're one of the smallest wallabies. So dingoes, pretty much anything that's bigger than them, that's a carnivore, will eat them.
Wow, so they've really got to defend themselves.
Yeah.
What do they do to defend themselves?
Their back legs are really powerful, so they can kick if they need to, or they hop away. Main goal is to get away. So
what are if they're celebrities, what are their special asks? What are the things that they have to have specifically to survive this and to thrive?
They have to have warm shelter, plenty of space to roam around, food and water.
Yeah, I see there's balls that they're playing with out here. What are they just throwing it back and forth? What are they kicking it?
Oh, we have some food in some of them. Like we have hay in one of them. Sometimes we do have balls just for them to mess around with and play, and they're actually nocturnal. So usually in Australia, what they would do is during the day they would sleep in shrublands, kind of hide underneath the bushes, and then at night they would come out to grasslands and forage and find food.
See, it was a wallaby. We'll have this segment on our website. We'll be right back on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.